Ever wondered if your grandparents' life choices, like what they ate or how stressed they were, could still affect you today? It sounds like science fiction, but a revolutionary field called epigenetics reveals this is absolutely true, even without changing a single letter of your DNA code. By the end of this video, you'll understand how your ancestors' experiences literally left marks on your genes, shaping who you are, and how your own choices might impact future generations. So, what exactly is epigenetics? Imagine your DNA as a giant cookbook, filled with all the recipes for building you. Epigenetics doesn't change the recipes themselves. It's like adding sticky notes or bookmarks that tell your body which recipes to use, and which ones to ignore, or even how loudly to read them. These epigenetic marks are chemical tags that attach to your DNA or the proteins around it, acting as on/off switches or volume controls for your genes. They don't alter the genetic code itself, but they dictate how that code is read and expressed, profoundly influencing your health and traits. Two main types of epigenetic marks are DNA methylation and histone modification. DNA methylation adds a small chemical cap, often silencing genes. Histone modification involves proteins that DNA wraps around. These proteins can be tightened or loosened, making genes more or less accessible to be read. What's truly mind-boggling is that these marks aren't fixed. They can change throughout your life in response to your environment and experiences. Take the famous Dutch famine study. Children born to mothers who experienced starvation during pregnancy had higher rates of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease decades later. Their bodies had epigenetically remembered the famine, programming their genes to store fat more efficiently, a survival mechanism that became a disadvantage in times of plenty. Ancestral stress and trauma can also leave epigenetic scars. Studies show that descendants of Holocaust survivors can carry altered stress hormone profiles. This suggests that the epigenetic changes from their ancestors' extreme experiences might have been passed down, predisposing them to anxiety and stress disorders. Even your daily lifestyle choices, like diet, exercise, and smoking, can actively modify your epigenome. A healthy lifestyle can activate beneficial genes and silence harmful ones, potentially reversing some negative epigenetic marks and improving your health. So, you're not just a product of your DNA. You're a living tapestry, woven with threads from your ancestors' lives and your own choices. Epigenetics shows us the incredible power of our environment and lifestyle, not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. This invisible layer of genetic control is truly mind-blowing, isn't it? If you're fascinated by the hidden wonders of science, hit that like button and subscribe to Science Sketch for more.